Introduction. Have you ever before wondered what your credit score is and what your credit history looks like? I'm certain if you ever before looked for a home mortgage, a loan, to rent a home or apartment or applied for an insurance policy, you recognize that your credit rating ends up being crucial. The loan provider, landlord or insurance provider will certainly decide on you based upon your credit history. This Brandon's blog is about the totally free credit report system of Borrowell Incorporated, a Borrowell review. Inspecting your credit rating has actually generally been a really laborious job and nobody really liked to do it. With the surge of consumer fintech over the last couple of years, two businesses have actually seen a method to produce an on-the-internet industry for personal loans in Canada. 1. Credit Karma Canada, and 2. Borrowell Incorporated. Credit Karma Canada is owned by its United States parent. Borrowell is a 100% Canadian-owned firm. Borrowell Review. I have previously blogged about Credit Karma Canada. Borrowell runs in a comparable way. Borrowell's goal is quite straightforward. They wish to assist Canadians to make fantastic choices concerning credit and debt. They began life as a consumer lender. Borrowell thought that customers wanted personal loans. They started the firm making loans for people with excellent credit. Borrowell discovered that it was pricey to obtain customers. Their customer acquisition cost was very high. It was a tough issue to fix. What they did was come to be the first business in Canada to supply credit scores absolutely free. They assumed this would be a wonderful method to obtain clients and promote what Borrowell did. They thought that it would certainly be an excellent method to make loans. How it works. The trouble was that there were thousands of people a week inspecting their credit report, however few of them either desired or fit the Borrowell standards for loans. Borrowell found that people desired various financial products and not everyone had good credit, so they invested most of 2017 in developing a marketplace. They developed an online forum for around 40 various financial institutions and other lenders. That enabled a person to get their credit score with Borrowell, and then they can after that be taken into the sales funnel. Borrowell would after that advise of products, solutions and pointers customized for every person from their forum of lender members. Borrowell earns a fee on loans made in other financial product sales. They wound up discovering a high level of product market fit for roughly 500,000 direct customers that first examine their credit report with Borrowell. Canadians now had a very easy way to regularly see their credit score and inspect their credit history. Utilizing the Borrowell system does not influence your credit report, unlike when you apply for a loan and the potential lender performs a credit check on you. In order to ask you the setup questions, and to have the ability to provide you your cost-free credit report and record, Borrowell acquires information from one of our two credit reporting companies, Equifax. Borrowell additionally browses particular public document data sources to try to find various other details such as bankruptcy, a legal process used by people and companies looking for particular relief from all or some their debt. Civil judgment, a non-criminal judgment in a court, calling for the person or company to make full or partial restitution. Registered items, other things found in public documents, like a lien against your car or truck or a home mortgage or other loan registered against your house. Know that you are in the Borrowell sales funnel. In order to stay top of mind, Borrowell updates you on your credit rating on a monthly basis and if it is actually changed for better or for worse. This is, obviously, advantageous for any person trying to enhance their credit history. Borrowell will inform you monthly the result of the activities you are taking to boost your credit score. Borrowell will also help you recognize what variables are affecting your credit score. In this way, they inform you what you need to do to boost your credit rating. This is particularly great for anybody trying to learn about finances and general money matters. Borrowell also provides recommendations on just how to improve your credit rating. So their system helps you to learn about payment history, credit usage, bad comments on your credit report, account inquiries, your credit score and report, tips for improvement. Borrowell offers you a very easy way to see just how you're doing financially, just how much money you have invested between credit cards and automobile and various other loans. It likewise. To learn what goes into calculating your credit score and what it all means, check out my blog, What is a Good Credit Score in Canada? The Untold Credit Score Secrets. Is there any drawback to the Borrowell app? The positive side is that this is a very easy and effective method of looking into yourself in a reliable way none of our Canadian banks have actually done. Nonetheless, I likewise have some worries. The financial partners in the Borrowell financial marketplace have to pay a fee. That charge needs to be accounted for in the price of the financial products sold. If there is competition amongst marketplace financial members, this may keep pricing consistent and competitive within the various credit score buckets. Perhaps this marketplace also gives people access to financial products they otherwise may not be able to find or get on their own. It is safe to presume that people using this system are working on boosting their credit score. The financial partners might be costing their products for those that have actually not attained sufficient credit strength to go and negotiate the price they will be paying with any bank. So for those with a good credit rating, this may mean that the cost of any kind of financial product via the Borrowell portal could be greater than otherwise readily available to them if they spent the time investigating. My main concern is more generic. It would be the same as with any system like this. They maintain a great deal of highly personal and sensitive information on Canadians which they regularly update. There are many criminals around the world who would like nothing better than to hack the Borrowell database in order to get at this information to further their devious and illegal schemes. Stealing your identity, or identity theft is, of course, the big one. Think no further than September 7, 2017, when Equifax announced that months-long illegitimate access to its credit report databases had led to the breach of personally identifiable information of over 148 million people, nearly all in the USA. That is the real danger I am talking about. As I mentioned, that is a danger with any computerized system storing highly sensitive information, not just a Borrowell issue. Do you have a negative credit report? I hope this Borrowell review has helped you gain a better understanding. Question: have you lost the ability to borrow because of a bad credit score? Are you having trouble making your monthly payments? Is your business dealing with financial challenges that require to be addressed immediately? Call the Ira Smith team today if so. We have years and generations of experience helping people and businesses seeking financial restructuring or a debt negotiation strategy. As a licensed insolvency trustee, we are the only specialists acknowledged, accredited and overseen by the federal government to supply insolvency advice and implement solutions to help you to remain free from bankruptcy. Call the Ira Smith team today so you can end your anxiety, anxiousness and discomfort today. With the roadmap we establish one of a kind to your scenario, we will promptly return you right into a well-balanced, healthy and carefree life. You can have a no-cost evaluation to help you to fix your credit and debt difficulties. With you, we will discover your monetary pain factors and make use of an approach to free them from your life. This will definitely enable you to start with a clean slate, starting over.